question. We have done with that. Now you have to do the B part at your own. You have to find the multiples of 15. But remember that range from 55 to 105. Okay?
Okay.
So the exercise 2C, question number 4, part B. Find the factors of 15 and the range is 55 till 105. Now you have to start the table of 15, but you have to put the sequence of range as well. You don't have to start from 1. Okay?
Okay.
So the 15 starts from
Starts from
15. It says that you have to write the table of 15. Can at the side of the copy, can you just write the table of 15 one by one till you got the answer 105 or less than 105? Okay?
what the answers to 15, 4s are 60.
Very good. So we have to start from the 60. Next.
And then 15, 5s are 55,
15 5s are
75,
very good. 15 5s are and 15 6s are
90,
very good. And 15 7s are
105.
Did we completed our range sequence?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So 60,
75,
75,
90,
90 and
105.
very good. So we have done with the B part. Now you have to do the C part. C part is 20. So you have to find the factors of 20 between the range. It means that you have to write the table of 20.
Okay. Uh, 23s are 60,
20, 3s are 60. Okay, got it.
24s are 80,
80, very good. So we are just nearby the 100. 25s are
25s are 100.
very good. So can we move to the next further point?
No, ma'am.
No, very good. So now we have done with the C part. So A, B,
We did A, B, and C.
yes, A, B and C. Now we have to do the D part. 25. Now do the 25. As you can see, our factors are decreasing as we are increasing the number. So in the first we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we have 1, 2, 3. It's mean that here we will have only 2 factors. Can we do that? The factor of 25.
75 and 100, right?
Okay, we have to start from the 25.
75.
25, 75. Okay, and after that
100.
100. So we got only 2 factors. So in the next part we have D and E. We have to do for the 30.
40.
Yes, 30. For the 30, how many factors do we have?
Probably 1.
Check carefully, because we also have 40 here.
60.
60. Got it. 60.
90.
Very good. So we got 2 also in the 30. On the last part we have to find
40.
40. F40.
Yeah.
Now I guess here will be the only one.
40. 42s are 80.
Very good. Only one factor. We found all the factors of the given questions. Understood? Any question?
No, ma'am.
Very good. So question number 5. Write down the multiples of following numbers between 200 and 300. Now they increase the range. Now you have to start from the 200 until goes to the 300. Let's get started of this part. Okay. First question I'll do for you, and then you have to do the remaining questions. Okay.
Which one? Write down the multiples of
Yes, multiples of these numbers, but the range is between 200 and 300. So question number 5. Question number 5, part A. The first number is 55. 55, and the range is 200 till 300. So it's mean I have to start from the range between this range. So the 55, it's mean that I have to go to the after the 20th table. I have to multiply 55 with 12. That will increase it. No, 55 with 2.
Can I also do it to 55?
Yes, you can. So 55 start from 40. Okay, 55. The first multiple I have. So if there are 2 digit, you have to follow. You have to write the table also. Okay. I'm just going. I am just. You are also doing that.
How can 55 start from 40?
No. It's mean that we have to write the table of 55. 55 ones are 55. 55 twos are 110. Okay. 55 threes are 165. Okay. And 55 fours are is 220. So I have to start from the 200 range. So I have to pick which number? 220. Okay. So 220. So I'm just writing the table of 55. Okay. So 55 with 5 is 275. So I think if I just multiply 55 with 6, then the answer will be 330. Can I write 330 here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Just like this. We just have to write a table of that given number. We just have to multiply that number from 1, 2 and 3 till we got this range. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to write this part. Then we have to move the next number, which is 63. Done? Okay. Done?
It's okay. So it starts from 63 cell.
Now we have to find the factor of.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now start doing the finding the factor of 63. So if you have to find the factor of 63, it means we have to write the table of 63. You have to start from the 2, multiply 63 with 2 and give me the answer.
126.
126. Can we use 126 here?
Yes.
How? Check the range.
The range,
No, we cannot use because we have to put the numbers between 200 and 300. Okay, sit properly.
oh, should be
Okay, now 63 2, we don't have to take that answer. We have to multiply 63 with the next number, which is 3. What will be the answer?
189.
189. And we don't have to use that. Okay, again 63 with the 4. What is the answer?
There's
252. Okay, so can we use 252 here?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so I will check if I get further multiples or not. I multiply 63 with 5 and I got the answer 315. Can I use the 315 here? No, we only have one factor here. How many factor we have here?
1.
1. So write it down.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have to move to the next part. Oh, sorry, same part.
Okay, good.
So we have done with the 63. So now we have to do for the 82. Okay, find the factors of 82, Aryan. C part. 82. First multiply 82 with 2. And answer is
164.
can I use that 164?
No, ma'am.
182 with 3. Answer is
Second one. 246.
yes. And I can use that 246. Now 82 multiply with 4. What is the answer? (82 by 4).
327.
Can I use that here?
No, ma'am.
No. So we have to. So we have only one factor of 82, multiple of 82. Got it?
Okay.
Now I have to do the D part, which is 91. D part. Find the factor of 91, and I think it also gives only one multiple. 91 with 2. Answer is 91 is multiplied with 2. What is the answer?
91 multiplied by 2.
Yes.
So one second, I'm still doing it.
Okay.
Multiplication. Then 109. Wait, 182.
Can I use 182 here?
No.
Okay. 91 multiplied with 3. What is the answer?
273.
273. So it's mean that we have only one factor. If we just multiply with the further number, it will get increased. Okay. So we have to do the E part. E part we have to 43. What are the factors of 43? 43 first multiply with 2. That will give a very small. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 3. 43s are 3. And answer is
43 times 2.
43 times 2. Answer is 86. Now
Wait. 83 times 2 is 86. Yeah.
and can I use 86 here?
No.
Okay, now multiply 43 with 3.
129.
Okay, can we use 129 here?
No, ma'am.
43 into 4.
127.
Can I use that?
22. No, ma'am.
43 into 5.
43. 200. 215.
200 and
15.
can I yes, we can use that number here because it is above the 200. Now 43 into 6.
2, 3, 6. Wait. 5 plus 3 is 7. 5. So the answer is 258.
Very good. So can we move further?
Okay.
43 into 7.
3 plus 8 is 1. 301.
Can we use the 301 here?
No, no.
No, very good. So move to the next part, which is F, and the last part of question number 5. F, we have to find the factor of 25. Now start 25 with 2. Answer is
25 times 2 is
50. So with 3, we don't have to use 50 here. And we're in 25 into 3.
25 times 3, 75.
25 into 3 is?
75.
We cannot use 75 here as well. So 25 into 4.
24 is 100.
100. 25 into 5.
125.
25 into 6.
150.
25 into 7.
175.
25 into 8.
200.
Can we use that 200 here?
Yes.
Yes. 25 into 9.
225.
225.
25. Then
Okay, now we have to multiply 25 with 10.
250.
Very good. Now we have to multiply 25 with 11.
270.
Can I move further?
Yes.
25 into 12.
300.
Very good. So we got the exact range. Okay. Any question? I have to start the question number 6. State which of these are multiple of 2. By looking the even numbers which are present at the last of each number, you can find which is the perfectly multiple of 2. 72 is a multiple of 2.
No.
Is it?
No.
72.
72. 31 plus 31. Yes.
Yes. 81.
No.
896.
Yes.
6731.
Not possible.
4236.
100% possible.
4236. Yes or not?
It is. No, it is possible.
Yes. 7162.
Um, no, it is not possible.
Why? There is a 2 at the last number. As I told you about the trick, if they give the list of the numbers, you have to pick the multiples. You just have to look the last number present in that number. In the 72, there is a 2. That is a multiple of 2. 1 is, it is not the multiple of 2. 6 is a multiple of 2. 6 is also even number.
Okay.
1 is not a even number. 6 and 2 both are even numbers. So you have to circle the A, C, E and F, which are the multiples of 2. Okay,
Yeah.
done.
Yes.
Which are the multiples of 2?
A, C, E, and F.
Yes. Now we have to do the question number 7. State which of these are multiples of 10. Now we have to find the multiples of 10. Remember that in which the 0 is present, in which the number that contains 0, that is exactly multiple of 10. 670.
It is possible.
6432.
Not possible.
0 should be at last. Okay, 0 should be present at last. 8901.
Not possible.
84390.
Possible.
71340.
Not possible. Yes, possible.
Very good. You have to circle the number that are exactly multiples of 10. So we have to start the next topic. which is the types of numbers. Okay, on which page number, what is the page number of this topic? 31. Okay, what is the page number of this topic? 31. So the types of numbers, prime and composite numbers. So how we have to find prime and composite, and what are the function of these numbers, you have to get through this in today's lecture. So prime and the composite numbers. Write the factors of the numbers given in table 2.3. We find that there is only one number with just one factor. For example, the one factor is present in every multiple, in every factor. Okay, if there is a number and we have to find the multiples and factor of that number, then we have to start from which? One number. Okay,
Yes.
so as you can look that number 1, the factor is 1. Factor of 2 is 1 and 2. Factor of 3 is 1 and 3. Factor of 4, 1 to 4. Factor of 5, factor of 6, factor of 7, factor of 8. What are the factors of 9?
1, 3,
Yes, 1, 3 and 9. Very good. What are the factors of 2?
2.
What are the factors of 10?
10. 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10.
Very good. What are the factors of 11?
1 and 11.
What are the factors of 12?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Very good. So this is just like the factors of all numbers. Okay,
Okay.
there are many numbers after the table. There are many numbers with exactly two factors. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7. These are factors and are 1. The factor of these are only 1 because these are the numbers which are present only in their table and on one's table. And the number itself, these are called prime number. This is the definition of prime number. What does it says? That number, the factor of the number is only present in itself and on its 1. Okay, there are many numbers with exactly two factors, but there are few numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7. These factors are 1 and the number itself. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
The numbers that have factors are 1 and the number itself, that is known as prime number. That is known as
Right.
prime number. And there are many numbers with more than two factors, just like 4, just like 6, just like 8. Okay, the factors that have the number that have only two factors itself and 1, it is known as prime number. And the numbers that have more than 1 or 2 factors. So the table 2.4, let us learn more about the prime numbers through the exercise in the table 2.4. Follow the steps given here and cross out each composite number as mentioned. So we have done with the definition of prime and the composite numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers. Can you tell me?
The prime number, those numbers, the factors of number are 1 and number itself.
Yes. Now you have to pick all the prime numbers. If there is a number present, any number in a composite number is present in the table, you have to put the cross. Okay. So we have to follow these steps. I'm crossing out all the composite number which are multiples of 2. Step 3. Number 3 is a prime number, so do not cross this out. Number 3 is a prime number, but number 4 is a composite number, and number 5 is a prime number, and the number 8, 9, 10, they are also a composite numbers, but 2, 3, 5 are prime numbers. So you have to find. So we have done this. On the next table they just give the solution. So the 1 is also a composite number. Okay, 1 is also a. So the 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 59, these are all the numbers which are prime numbers, which are,
Prime.
and the numbers that are crossed, that are composite numbers, that are.
Composite.
So we have done with the prime and the composite numbers. Can you speak loudly one more time, prime and composite number, with examples?
Okay, prime number, the factors of numbers are 1 and number itself is called prime number. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Composite numbers, there are more than 2 or 3 factors of number. It is known as composite number. Example 4, 6, 10, 12.
Very good. Now we have to move to the next page, which is 32, co-prime numbers. That is co-prime numbers. So let's get through it. Two numbers that have only 1 as a common factor are known as co-prime number. For example, if we have two numbers, okay, and that two numbers are that two numbers have a factors. If there is a 1 present in both of that numbers, then that 2 1 are known as co-prime number. So that there is an example, 35 and 39. 35 and 39 are, what are they?
Co-prime number.
How they are, we can say that they are co-prime numbers? Because if we have to find the factor of any number, so we have to start from 1. So 1 is present in any pair of numbers. If 1 is present in both of numbers, then 1 is the co-prime number of both numbers. Okay, so for example, if I just give you about 12 and 6, you will start from the 1. Okay, the 1 is present in number 12, 1 is present in number 6 also. So 1 will be the co-prime numbers. 1 will be the co-prime number of 12 and 6. Got it?
Yes.
Thus all the prime numbers are co-prime numbers. However, composite number can also be a co-prime number. So if you are going to find the factors of prime numbers, so they just start from the 1, because they are only present in the 1 table and its sub table, is it? And composite number also starts from 1. So the number that are prime or composite, they are also known as co-prime numbers. Okay,
Yes, sir.
any question?
No.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
If you didn't, then you have to ask. If you do, then we have to move to the next topic.
I quite didn't understand it.
You did understood?
No.
Any question?
No, I didn't understand it.
You didn't understand it. Why?
Madam, no,
Okay, it's kind of tricky.
yeah.
Okay, let me explain it to you again. Let me share my screen. Okay, just look at here. For example, if we have two numbers like 12, 6, for example, if we have these numbers, okay, can you tell me all of these numbers are prime or composite?
These are called a composite.
Composite. Okay, so I'm going to write here 2, 3, 5, 7. What are these numbers?
Prime.
Prime. Now I have to find the factors of all these. Okay, first I will do the factors of prime numbers. Okay, 2.
Wait, I understood prime and composite.
Yes,
Only the co-prime I didn't.
I will explain you what are the co-prime numbers. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 7. So what are the factors of 2, 3, 5, 7?
1 and the number itself.
1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 5, 1 and 7. So 1 is present in 2, 3, 5 and 7. So they all are
Co-prime.
co-prime. They are all called co-prime. If 1 is present in any factor of number, it means that factors of number is known as co-prime. Okay, so now I have to find the composites. For example, 4, 6, 8, 12. What are the factors of 4?
1, 2, 4.
6,
1, 2, 3.
what are the factors of 8?
4 is not there on this side. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, sorry, not 4. Yes, what are the factors of 8?
1, 2, 4. Then 8.
1, 2, 4 and 8. What are the factors of 12?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12.
No, the 1 is present in all the numbers. So that is known as co-prime. Simply remember that if 1 is present in any factor, in any multiple, that pair of numbers are known as co-prime numbers. So all the,
Every number is co-prime.
yes,
So every number is co-prime.
yes, every number is a co-prime number because we have to start the every factor from 1. So that is just a necessary point, okay?
Okay.
Any question?
No.
Okay, so I hope you understood now.
Yes.
Twin numbers, just like the twin sisters and twin brothers.
Yeah.
Let us again consider the table 2.4. The prime numbers 17 and 19 have got only one number, 17 and 19, and 18 in between them. In other words, these two prime numbers are close to each other with the gap of only one number. Such pair of prime are called twin number. 17 is called the twin prime of 19 and vice versa. So now we have to look on the table 2.1. They ask about the table 2.1,
2.4.
2.4. So in the 2.4, when we just look at the cross of the table, the table on which they put the cross of on composite numbers. So can you just look on the 17 and 19? So 17 and 19 are prime numbers because they are only present on one table and itself. But there is a separation between them. 18 is a composite number. So if there are numbers that have the same prime factors but they are distant, they are apart by a one number which is present between them, then that two numbers are called twins. Let's just do this like this. For example, yes,
71 and 73 are also.
yes, very good. Yes, 71 and 71. The number is between 72 and then 73. Okay. So the here we got the 72, which is a composite number, but these two are prime numbers. So these two are might be brothers or sisters, or maybe brother or sister, but they are aparted from only one number. So we can call these two numbers twins. Okay, and these are prime, then these are prime twin numbers. These are prime twin numbers. Any question?
What about 3 and 5? Are they also?
Yes, there are also 3 and 5. So they are separated by 6. So we can just write here 3.
5, 7 also. 5 and 7.
No. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that is a composite number. 3 and 5 are
Maybe a brother and sister.
twins. Yes. 6 is a composite number. 5 is a twin of
7.
yes, just like this. Any question?
Nope.
Okay, very good. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So the twin numbers, the co-prime numbers. Can you explain one more time co-prime and the twin numbers?
Where co-prime numbers are the numbers when they have one as their common factor.
Yes, one as a common factor. 1x. What does that mean by a common?
Means
For
that all
example, if you and your sister have some common,
means okay.
you and your sister have some common points, like you both like to eat fruits, you both like to eat vegetables, you both like to drink milk. So these are the common things between you two of them, okay? It shows that you are doing a same thing you used to like, you both used to like the same things. So what does that mean, common? For example, if we have any numbers 2, 3, 4, rather the number of composite, rather the number as a prime, if there is one present in that numbers, that means that numbers are co-prime numbers, okay? So what are the twin numbers, twin primes?
Twin primes are when the numbers are separated by only one number.
Yes, you can just say like that, if the two prime numbers are separated by a composite number. We can say that.
No.
We can say that if the two,
There are many.
yes, if the two prime numbers, just look at here, if the two prime numbers are separated by a composite number, that two prime numbers are known as twin primes.
Yeah, but then if you see 3 and 17, you say it like that, it might have to be.
Okay, I can't hear you. Can you just speak in front of camera? You are just,
Like 13 and 17, so if you can see that, if you say it like that, maybe that might also be a twin number.
yes, in 13 and 17.
If you say composite numbers, like separate them, it might be like.
No, they are not, because they have three composite numbers, but we just say about only one number. If the distance is between, if the distance between two number are separated by one number, that is a prime number. If we just put 2, 3 or more than 2, 3 numbers, that will not be counted as prime numbers, okay? Twin prime, because they just say that the prime numbers have got only one number. These two primes are close to each other, so we can say that if we increase the distance, if we put the more numbers, that will not count as twin primes. Twin primes, yes. Okay, can you explain twin primes one more time?
Okay, when prime number is separated by one composite number, it is called twin number.
Very good. So what does the prime triplet says?
A set of three consecutive numbers divided by 2.
Have you ever have you ever did this, the number line, jumping number line?
Yeah.
Yes, this is just like this. For example, if there is 1, then you have to add 2. When 1 plus 2, then you have to, there is a 2, you have to add 2, then the answer will be 4. Then you have to add 2 again, then answer will be 4, 5, 6. Then you have to add 2, then answer will be 6, 7, 8. Then you have to add 2, answer will be 10. Is it? Have you done this? Yes. So the triplet is simply just like this. So the triplet, a set of 3 consecutive prime numbers. So we only have one prime triplet set, which is 3, 5, 7. We don't have any prime triplet rather than these, okay? So yes, these are the example of prime triplet, the only prime triplet. The set of 3 consecutive prime numbers different by 2 is called a prime triplet, the only prime triplet. So they just told about that we have to find the 3 prime numbers that are placed each by each of them. Then we have to find the 3 prime triplet, and the difference between each number is 2. For example, the 3. So we have to add 2, then answer will be
Prime triplet.
5. Answer will be?
5.
Okay, add 2 in 5. Answer will be?
7.
7. So the difference is by 2, and we have the only prime triplet, which is 3, 5, 7, and these 3 are also called
Prime.
prime numbers. Yes, 3 consecutive prime numbers are called prime triplet. The basic definition: 3 consecutive prime numbers are called prime triplet. What is the only example of prime triplet, which is 3, 5, and 7? Can you read the prime triplet again?
Okay. A set of 3 consecutive prime numbers differing by only 2 is called a prime triplet.
Yes.
Only triplet is 3, 5, 7.
Yes, very good. So we have also done with the even and the odd numbers. Can you tell me what are the even and odd numbers? The even numbers are only exactly multiple of 2, and the odd number?
Divisible.
Yes. So basically in even number, we have to find the number that is present in table 2. Okay? So we have to find in even number all the numbers should be present in table. In which table?
2.
2. Very good. But in the case of odd number should not present in
2.
very good, but it can be present in any other table but not in 2. Yes. So what are the example of even numbers?
Even numbers are when the numbers are exactly divisible by 2.
Can you just give me the numbers?
Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8,
2, 4, 6, 8, so on. This is all the table of 2. Okay. So what will be the examples? What are the numbers of odd then?
the numbers that are between even numbers are like 3,
3,
5,
5, 7, 11. Yeah, just like that. I hope you understood. Okay. Any question regarding today's lecture? So what we have done in today's lecture, can you just recall them?
Okay, we did, what do you say this?
We start from the exercise 2C. We just,
we finished exercise 2C.
yes, after that we did,
We discussed, what is it? The prime numbers and composite numbers.
and yes, after that,
And then the prime triplets, twins, and
co-prime and the triplet prime and the even and odd numbers. Okay. And today's lecture is for the will be, you have to learn today's lecture. Okay.